And welcome back to the end of the fourth quarter in Foxborough.
The timing with Brady's receivers has really pulled this off.
It's the fourth quarter in New England. The pressure is on with a minute left on the clock. Brady is trying to find his way, but keeps missing the mark.
Brady is going to have to...
Snooze, you lose, Tom.
Hey, it's not only about strength.
Come on, Tommy, see if you can get the ball. The quarterback should never lose the ball.
Back to throw. He looks, he throws, he completes, takes it down to the 10. Yeah!
Gotta figure out what I gotta do.
This is a big moment for Tom Brady. The most important game of his life.
This is it. It's 10 seconds on the clock. It all comes down to this. But to me, it's looking like a lost cause. You know, Brady has repeatedly failed to deliver when we've lost the lead.
Johnson, fight!
Here we go. Last play in the pocket.
He's looking for the pass.
Big left is down to 4.
Hurry up!
Brady in trouble.
Brady's performance last night, that's something you see once in a lifetime.
How did he pull that off? What we witnessed last night was clearly the greatest comeback in all of sports.
I mean, he just wins games. He's got the rings. What more does he have to prove?
How y'all doing?
Our dad just died. How do you think we're doing?
I'm sorry.
Everybody's sorry, and it don't make no difference.
We absolutely love hosting family dinners at our house.
But with all the recent additions, you could say we were a little...
And just had a real baby, Zoe. Tasha loves showing off her babies, and they both share on social media. Affordable, easy to use mass file storage right in your hands that lets you share files with friends, family, and coworkers, which is a good thing for Tasha, Matt, Zoe, and Chloe, and their new YouTube channel vlog.
I want to see her. I want to see her!
Then do as I say.